Joey the Great Rat. Joey the Great Rat. Joey the loser. Joey the pussy boy. Sneeze. Bro, once again, doing my digging on you. Bro, you literally, and this is why I say you are a piece of dirt, because you literally, and you know what, I'm gonna be honest here, maybe this person deserves it. I'm listening to you, and you know, when you told that terrible lie about you getting a $1,000 check, lying straight through your teeth, which that by itself too blows my mind, because you can lie. You lie with a straight face, and you lie. Sometimes I think you just lie for the sake of knowing you can lie, and nobody, your unbelievable crappy followers definitely would never catch, because they find out they just as dumb as you are. Like I said, they are dumber than you, because they are following you. So that's what I the main reason I bring it up. That unbelievable gutter rat Olaf literally was fighting for Joey the Rat because of what they say, a troll, and bring in, as the rat says, negative energy. Well, you know what that really means when you say negative energy and hate, a hater? You know what that is? That's just you and your dumb minions getting mad because mainly you gutter rat is people is calling out your lies. You are telling people that's catching your lies, trolls and haters, because they are calling you out. And instead of you acting like half of a man or 1/4 of a man, you tells that bum Olaf to go ahead, man, rip it through him. You got my permission. Go ahead, man. They ain't them but haters. So I'm like, wow. I couldn't believe he just tried to slide that by. You just literally told somebody to fight your battle. And what makes it worse, you act like all these haters are lying, and you know they're telling the truth on you. You know that you ain't nothing. You know that you are worth nothing. You're worthless. You're a worthless maggot. And you know it. And you know you lie about everything you say and do. But you literally now tell another loser, Olaf, to go ahead and fight your battles for you. Now, if that ain't the top of the line pussy, I don't know what is. And then on the other hand, the rat Olaf is doing it for you and thinking that Olaf is doing something great. He think in his mind he's doing something good. He's helping the cause. And it's like, are you really that dumb? Are y'all really that dumb to say I'm gonna fight the battle of this weasel, Jory the rat sneeze is worth me getting in trouble or looking dumb because he's too pussyfied to fight his own battles and too pussy to fight it. Simply put, he can't fight. So he asks somebody else to fight for him. And then he's staying on the sidelines saying everything that he wish he could say face to face to somebody. But since he's a pussy and can't fight, he sends somebody else to fight for him. And you have the loyalty of the rat minions. Rat minions. That literally has no sense, no common sense whatsoever. Because if they did, they'd have been said, bro, you a effing liar, bro. You're an effing liar. You haven't done nothing in your life worth anything. You haven't done nothing in your life that would warrant people saying, man, he's a great guy. Man, he's a great guy. I'm gonna go to bat for him, man, because loser would never punk out. But what y'all giblet heads don't understand, minion rat, he is nothing but a loser. That's all he is. He can't fight. He can't rap. He can't even get none. You know why? Because he's a rat. A crappy rat. And it makes it better when he steals people's music. He still can't rap it. He still can't do it. I've never seen that before. That a guy's stealing somebody's rap in beats. Don't forget, people, in their beats. And he just murdered the beat. I ain't talking about murder where he just killed it and he was the boss. No, he murders the beat. The beat has no chance after the loser touches it. I mean, it's like, and then when I hear the Jory the rat say, "Oh man, this is fire. This is fire, man. This is fire." I just said, "Oh my God, man, what is he talking about? My ears are bleeding right now from listening to that." I mean, and then when I heard one of his loser rat flunkies say, "Man, Joey, I could just go get a glass of wine and go sit down after work and turn your music on and just listen to it all night." Yeah, I bet you can. When you're about to commit suicide, and as you writing your note, your last letter to the world saying, "This is why I say I have to commit suicide because I can't take the world no more." And because if this world is letting a gutter rat like this put out music like this, it is no fun. It ain't nothing fair in the world. That's what people should do after listening to Joey the Rat's music. Jesus, it make your ears bleed. I'm being honest. They could pay me $100 and they say we give you $100 if you can listen to one song from start to finish. I would say, man, if you threaten my life again like that again, I'm gonna make sure you pay for it. I'm gonna make sure you get touched, as the Rat say, get touched. Cause ain't no money in the world worth that. Put my life in danger like that. Put my life in danger. Put on that music. That ain't even music. It truly sounds like straight garbage, man. It has, and you just serve yourself on a platter with that music too. When you be saying, I've been making hits like this in 5 minutes. You heard of that saying, you get what you pay for? Well, you get how much work you put into something. You get back what you work for. And the proof is in the pudding. Just look at this loser's music. If y'all can dare to stand the unbelievable garbage he call music, you're better than me. I guarantee you couldn't get past the first song without saying, Jesus Christ, this guy should be put in prison. I ain't talking about any prison. I'm talking about that prison in Colorado where they put all the terrorists and this person, that person. That dude has been getting away with highway robbery with that terrible music of his. Wow. And then to top it off, he thinks he's tough. On top of the crappy music. On top of the crack looking face. On top of the unbelievable nose picking, that it is on a whole different level of nose picking. Bro, you are the epitome of a Garbage Pail Kid. Garbage Pail Kids was thought up of you. They probably seen you somewhere on a bus, of course, bus or walking with all your possessions in that book bag, which that gets severely overlooked. I mean, bro, your whole life is in a book bag, and you try to say you got money and you got this, you got that, but your whole possessions can fit inside of a kid's book bag. Book bag. No duffel bag, no suits, no suitcases, no U-Haul. A book bag. Book bag. Bro, do you understand that? You understand that it takes you less than 5 minutes to get ready and move? Literally move out of one place to another? It takes you a good 5 minutes. And the only reason why it takes 5 minutes is because you're probably running around trying to steal all the hotel soaps and shampoos. Bro, I'll tell you right now, I got a 14-year-old that has more possessions than you do. I mean, and you be having the nerve to brag about this. Who brags about living in a hotel and then try to psych us out and say you was in a hotel, which you were in a freaking homeless shelter? Bro, you are just, you're just a colossal, worthless maggot. You have nothing in your life. You are lifeless person. You meaning you have no direction whatsoever. You have no direction which way to go, which way you should go, and what advice you should take. Because you know why? You act like you can never take advice. You act like somebody give you advice is like the end of the world. End of the world. You know why? Because you put yourself in a corner where you think you just know everything. And I tell you right now, man, I see it coming a mile away. It's going to be on the news. They're going to say, this guy, I think his name, they're going to butcher your name and say, I think this guy is Joey or Talisa or Talisa or Sneeze or something. Well, anyway, he gets murdered today because some crazy dude says God is the only Messiah and go blow your brains out. And only thing they gonna see, they gonna be like, well, we can't go to his house because he don't got no house. Can't go to his apartment. He don't got no apartment. Oh, I think he's staying in one of these rat-infested hotels. And they gonna say his only possession he got is this book bag filled with all your costume jewelry. I mean, bro, you just. I think you just love it, bro. I think you just love lying and lying and lying to the point where it just get it to the point where you can't never ever cover it up because you just don't you back yourself in such a corner. Just flat out, bro, man. Back to the Olaf thing, bro. You are so dumb, both of y'all. And what makes it worse, man, you gutter rat. You act like you wasn't asking that dude to fight your battles for you. Exactly what you did and exactly what you wanted to happen. And you got the right person because Olaf is an idiot, sound like an idiot because if he listened to you every day, you might as well chalk his life up. You might as well chalk his life up too. Both of y'all are dumb. Literally, both of y'all dumb. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Wow, you're a great loser, bro. Great loser. Now, both of y'all great losers.